1 Minute Gaelic Lesson 7.
Hello, it's Donald here, your Gaelic teacher, bringing you 1 Minute Gaelic from the Radio Lingua Network. Each lesson of 1 Minute Gaelic teaches you a few words and phrases in 60 seconds, or thereabouts. Last lesson, you learned to introduce yourself. In Lesson 7, you'll learn what you might say to someone when you meet them for the first time. The clock's ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Can you remember how to say, my name is? I would say, is Misha Donald. When you meet someone, it's only polite to ask them how they are. Listen to the Gaelic for how are you or how do you do. Ciamar a sibh. Listen again. Ciamar a sibh. Try it one more time. Ciamar a sibh. The standard response would be to say that you're fine. Ha gama. Listen again. Ha gama. Try it one more time. Ha gama. To be really polite, you might add thank you. Can you remember that? Tah believe. Let's practice that. I'll ask how you are, and you'll say, fine, thank you. Ciamar a sibh. You should have said, ha gama tah believe. Now you've got a Gaelic-speaking friend. They can help you with your Gaelic. Listen to this phrase. Barrachd Gaelic ionnsachadh. It means, I would like to learn more Gaelic. Try saying it after me. I'll say it slowly. Barrachd Gaelic ionnsachadh. One more time. Barrachd Gaelic ionnsachadh. Time's up, and once again I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned in this lesson will go down well with your Gaelic-speaking friends or business colleagues. Today's phrases have been quite tricky, so try to listen again to this episode. Don't forget that you can get more materials to help you with your Gaelic by visiting our website at oneminute.languages.com. That's all for today. Tah believe, agus marshin leave and draste.
This is a production of the Radio Lingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.